Collier Pickard is a niche player in CRM. We pride ourselves on the methodology that we've adopted for making CRM successful. We fundamentally understand what works and what doesn't. We have people who are permanently based in remote locations and people who travel on a daily basis. And remote communications has always been difficult. Prior to having BlackBerries, we were looking for places that had Wi-Fi hotspots that you could log on to and use CRM through broadband connections. Finding a new solution, we were hoping to achieve two things. One, to make ourselves more efficient, and two, to understand the mobile CRM technology and develop best practice rules so that we're better able to supply mobile CRM to our clients and support them in their use of mobile CRM. We chose to implement the Maximizer solution, MaxMobile, using BlackBerry devices.
Maximizer software specialises in customer relationship management software. We've been doing that for over 20 years now. Over the last 2 years, we've developed products that actually work on the mobile device.
We selected BlackBerry because the setup of a BlackBerry enterprise server doesn't involve many technical skills. It simply works.
On the MaxMobile application, we actually have the ability to get access to all your customer information, all the history, any sales opportunities, any deals that you're working on.
In terms of return on investment, we've not tried to cost justify it. It's a technology which is emerging, it's going to help us, it will help our clients, and therefore we took it on board gladly.
One of the reasons our corporate clients like the MaxMobile application is because it sits on the device and it synchronises data back to a central database, which tends to make the application more secure, especially built on the BlackBerry platform. It means we can use all the BlackBerry inbuilt technology such as the BlackBerry Enterprise Server to provide security, for example, for financial institutions where security is a primary motivator.
I'm very confident that BlackBerry was the right decision for Collier Pickard. It's functionally very rich, it's very easy to use, it's very secure, and we've had no user resistance to pushing it out into the salespeople and consultants that use it here.
The application now is leading towards the stage where if a meeting gets cancelled, you can use the application to look for clients that are in a similar geographical location. So you can quickly find out which other clients are local, track those down and see whether you can pop in for a meeting. What tends to happen is that because the remote sales force is doing his admin throughout the week, information is getting back more quickly to the head office. So as a result, the whole organisation becomes more effective.
Day-to-day operations at Collier Pickard have become easier simply because you can do things on the fly wherever you are. My work-life balance has improved as a result of using mobile CRM on the BlackBerry. Some of the things that I would have done when I walked through the door by going into my office at home and maybe taking half an hour out of time that I could have been spending with my children, that time's already been handled and I can walk in the door and start my home life straight away.
Personally, I've got to the stage where I carry my BlackBerry everywhere. Recent example, I decided off to Dubai in South Africa, made the choice of not actually taking my PC with me. So all I took was my BlackBerry smartphone with MaxMobile on there, and pretty much over the 2 weeks I could do everything that I needed to do.